Adrish, the Discoverer! Today, we are going to do some super cool science experiments with magnets and iron fillings. Have you ever seen metal move like magic? Well, today, you're about to. We have two experiments. First, iron fillings in water. Second, iron fillings in slime. Wow. Let's get started. Woo! Woo! For this experiment, we need a magnet, a glass of water, and iron fillings. Let's do it! Okay guys, I am putting the iron fillings into the water. Look at that, it's just sitting there. Now, let's bring the magnet close. Slowly. Whoa, look at that! The iron fillings are moving. It's like they're alive. This happens because magnets can pull metal. The iron fillings follow the invisible magnetic force. Let's move it again. Wow! It's like a dancing metal monster. Now, let's try something even cooler. Slime! I'm adding iron fillings into the slime. Mixing it. Ew. But also cool. Okay, magnet time again. Ready? No way! The slime is moving. It's chasing the magnet. Look at that. It's stretching and following the magnet like it's alive. The iron inside the slime makes it magnetic, so the slime can follow the magnet too. This is insane, guys! Water experiment was cool, but slime, next level! Wow. Which one did you like more? The water experiment or the slime experiment? Give it a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a comment. See you on the next discovery. Bye! Cheers!